Hi guys, Marvin here from TechBroll.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the bloody J437 gaming headset. A gaming headset that is good to go out of the box with good sound clarity and a surprisingly decent virtual surround sound. And if you've been a follower of our Facebook page, you'll know that I'm giving this away to one of our top fans for this month, so make sure to keep engaging and stay updated. With that said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so right here I have the packaging for the bloody J437 gaming headset. So in front, of course, we have a preview of the product right here, and then it looks like this one is optimized for the sound of footsteps. We'll discuss more about that later. And it has 7.1 virtual surround sound. This means the interface of this headset is USB. At the side of the box, we have all the key specifications right here, and then at the back we have all the features that this gaming headset has to offer. We'll take a deep dive on these later. And lastly, on the other side of the box, we have a window preview of the product, which is a nice touch. So let's see what comes in the package. Okay, so after removing the protective plastic, we now have a first look at the bloody J437 gaming headset. Let me just take it out of the packaging for a second. Alright, so at first touch, the quality seems okay, especially for its price, and it's also super lightweight at only around 260 grams. It doesn't scream premium build quality, but I think being this lightweight has its advantage when it comes to overall comfort. I'm not a fan of bulky and heavy gaming headsets, and I'm pretty sure you are too. On the right side, we have a bloody logo at the center of the ear cups, and it looks like it has this army vibes going on with its design with different shades of green partnered with the main black color of the headset. And then flipping it at the back, we have a volume adjustment wheel at the left side ear cup. And then on the other side, we have the same design, but we also have the built-in omnidirectional microphone right here. Turning it all over at the top, we have the metal support and the adjustable headband with a bloody logo on it. It is also quite flexible as you can see here, so it should fit a wide variety of head shapes. Now, we've already seen this type of design with other gaming headsets out there, and while it's cool that it's easy to adjust on top of your head because of the elastic design, I still prefer those gaming headsets that you can adjust the side of the headband individually for precise adjustments. Now, in terms of the earbuds, this is your typical budget synthetic leather earbuds, but I must say that the cushion is actually quite soft. This is an on-ear earpod, which I personally don't prefer because I like my headset to go over and around my ears for better sound isolation and overall comfort. But for sure, other people prefer this, so that would depend on your personal preference. Now, in terms of the adjustments, it does tilt a bit, but not that much as you can see here. So again, adjustment options are very limited with this one. Now, in terms of the microphone, it says on the specifications that it has a noise cancelling mic, so later we'll test that out. For the cable, I gotta be honest guys, I'm not a fan of this design and construction. It is quite thick, heavy, and I'm pretty sure it's going to get in the way when you're actually using this headset. Overall, in terms of design, it's decent, nothing fancy, and if you are a fan of army-themed peripherals, then this is a good option to add to your arsenal. Moving on, let's discuss about the performance of the bloody J437 gaming headset. In terms of comfort, like I said, it is super lightweight, probably the lightest gaming headset that I've tried, and because of that, it is quite comfortable with just the right amount of clamping force for the size of my head. And although it has limited adjustment options, it fits my head pretty well. Now, the earbuds as expected tend to get hot over time, but at least it has enough soft padding so that your ears won't touch the drivers inside. Overall, it is comfortable except for the stiff cable that, like I said earlier, gets in the way of your movement. It touches your clothes, and although surprisingly it doesn't add much weight on the left side, it still adds a little bit of drag, and sometimes it touches my collarbone, which is super annoying. Now, in terms of the sound quality, surprisingly it is decent especially for its price. It can produce clear mids and highs, but it's lacking a bit when it comes to the low-end frequencies. It certainly won't satisfy bass heads out there, but at least it has vocal clarity, and you can also distinguish individual instruments from a music playback. It also doesn't get too loud, but decent enough for comfortable and safe listening. Now, when it comes to gaming, which is the most important thing here, the 7.1 virtual surround sound feature works surprisingly well but not perfect. You can definitely hear the sound separation around each corner, but sometimes it's not that accurate when it comes to precise pinpointing of the enemy location. I'd say that the sound isolation is a little bit broad and quite confusing sometimes, especially on close proximities. But in wide area, you can definitely hear the separation of footsteps and gunshots. Speaking of footsteps, since this headset is advertised to be tuned for that, although it lacks a lot of bass, yes, you can definitely hear footsteps quite well. Now, in terms of the microphone quality, although it is advertised as having a noise cancelling microphone, I don't think it's quite effective as you will hear on this mic test. Hi guys, Marvin here from TechBroll, and this is a microphone test for the Bloody J437 gaming headset. Again, this is a microphone test for the Bloody J437 gaming headset. Mic test, 1 2 1 2. But to be fair, the quality of the audio coming from this microphone is definitely usable for casual in-game communication, just not in a broadcast level, which you should not expect anyway at this price point. And lastly, the Bloody J437 gaming headset also features illumination on both sides with 7 neon colors rotating, but unfortunately, since this headset doesn't have any software, you cannot customize it. So to conclude, the Bloody J437 gaming headset is quite decent for its price of around 1,300 pesos or $25 US. It has good sound quality, especially in the mids and highs. Vocals are really clear and the instruments are distinguishable. And although the 7.1 virtual surround sound is a hit or miss, it is definitely a nice feature to have, especially at this price point. Microphone quality is also usable for casual in-game communication, and the overall comfort level, though limited in terms of adjustments, is still pretty good thanks to its lightweight and flexible construction. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link below. Huge thanks to Bloody Gaming PH for sending this in. You can get this from the link below, or make sure you're one of the top fans of our Facebook page for a chance to get this for free. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Have a great day.